Here we show you how to properly clean and maintain a BLANCO ceramic sink. For daily cleaning, it is sufficient to clean the sink and mixer tap with a little washing up liquid and a sponge after use and rub them dry with a microfiber cloth. Caution: please do not use steel scouring pads, steel wool or ceramic hob scrapers to clean ceramic sinks. Often, daily cleaning of the sink and mixer tap isn't quite enough and more stubborn limescale deposits start to build up. These can be eliminated in a trice with the professional limescale remover BLANCO Daily Clean Plus. Simply spray on Daily Clean Plus, leave to work for a short time, wipe over with a damp microfiber cloth, and troublesome limescale marks can be gently removed, leaving your sink and mixer tap radiantly beautiful once again. BLANCO Care. Perfect care made easy.